A bunch of these out already. People using these. Hey YouTube, this is your boy Insta360 Tech coming to you guys to show you an amazing video. I know I'm late to the party, but I actually wanted to get this out here for you guys. This is the Insta360 Go Ultra, tiny hands-free 4K camera. I know you've seen a bunch of these out already. People using these, unboxing, but what comes in all in the package, I feel like with all this coming here is pretty awesome. And also we got Find My on it, and then what it's capable of, and we got AI in there and all the stuff you could use. That I purchased this because I am getting more into my vlogs, especially for my vehicle. You guys already know my Tesla Model Y. I got more videos for that coming out, but I just wanted to drop this video right here quick while I'm finishing editing the base model Tesla Model Y. So these are one of the facts that I bought this for, and we're just going to unbox it real quick. I love the presentation on this. I had the other one. You've seen the unboxing on that one, but I had the other one. But I'm going to do more things on this one, and I love the way the appearance, how this open up here. We're so go explore, go capture, go create, go enjoy. And this tiny little thing here is what attached to everything. So it comes with get started guide, you know, with everything, how to use everything. You know what to do with those, you know, how you boys say, pluck them and found them. You get your stickers, you put everywhere, your warranty, just your guides on that. And, you know, just a little part in there. But in here, you know, we just open this up here. Pretty sure this open up this way, but we got to probably take this off first. Yeah. Oh, this is magnetized in there. I didn't even know that. But this is magnetized in there, but it's, you know, really tight in there. So we're going to put that to the side right there. And what we get in there. Oh, so that's why it's magnet. You get the chest piece holder. The charger, which I don't need to use the charger, but the chest piece holder. This is one I'm definitely going to be using on a daily basis. And you get your clip holder for your hat. Actually, to be honest with you, I like this much better now for your hat. The clip here is, it looks like it's more sturdy, but you could tell like this thing just clicks on it, like amazing on it. Like, so you got that, and you got your main hub. Where it go into, and actually I like the way this feels because it feels like you're using your regular camera, and I love the way this capture here, let me get this up here, get it from the side, that you could just take that and you could do selfies when you're using this, put it right in there and use right in there, actually, which is real awesome because the other one was more like a circle one, but I think this thing comes off. Yep. The fisheye lens comes off, and you could probably use different lenses and stuff like that on it, but I know this one comes with the, you know, what it got on it right now. But this, the comparison, to unlock it, gotta hold that and take it out just to unlock it. And I love the grip on this. This grip is actually pretty cool. And just the portable of this thing here, this is just amazing how to use this. And you got your little candy in there. You don't never eat that. But they got, let me see here. I don't know what this is. Let me check this out here. Let me see what all it comes with on this one. Come in here. But we have to open that. Oh, okay. Okay, so these are the little cord you could put on, the rope you could put on the side there, and actually just put on and use on this. That's basically what this is for. But you guys, this is basically just a quick unboxing. Just showing up about this part here. I had to invest into it. I wanted to invest into to this Insta360 Go. I've been looking at it, and plus the sale is amazing right now for it. I'm gonna leave a link below for Best Buy, and also I'm gonna leave a link below for person this is on Amazon, because I'm affiliated with Amazon now to help out with the channel. But you guys, I just basically wanted to give this video out, just showing you this unboxing of this. More of the things will come. I really do like this here. Like I said before, it's just the capable of it. Just close this and use it this way, you know, this way, and all the things you could do with this camera. And I loved it because, like I said before, I'm gonna vlog, and this one's supposed to be a lot better. And I think this one comes with like 100 and something gigabytes or 200 and something gigabytes. But I know there's extra features that you could put in and get more memory, because they don't have the SD card in here slot that I know of that you could put more memory in it, but which is cool. It's okay. I think it do on the device, but I know on the device, the other one, you could use it and put more memory in it. But I think this one do not have extra memory. Well, don't let me speak too soon. It might have it, but I know it comes with a lot of gigabytes in it right now. So, oh, actually, you do. You can put more memory in it, so you can put up to whatever you want in it on this one. But I think it comes stock with like 100 and something gigabytes on it. I think it comes stock with it already. So I got to look at that. I think it's already capable for a lot of gigabytes on it, but you can throw an SD card in there. I know I got like 125 gig one. I know I have a 200 gig one that I could just slap in there and get more memory with it, but in this part. But that's actually pretty cool, where you could expand the memory on this and use it a lot more. But let me know, you want to see some more vlogs with this, see some stuff we're capable of. And it's not that heavy, but it actually got a nice little weight to it. And this is the pocket size. I know I have like a casing thing I bought for the last one, but I'm actually going to buy one for this to take with me, a carry-in pack. But this is your boy IC3 Tech. Let me know what you like, let me know. I am filming this on my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. There's a lot of videos going to be going out for this one, but you guys let me know how you feel about this, what you think about it, and the next level you're going to do on the next level we're going to be on this channel, because we're moving up on this channel. 2026 is our year. We're going to do a lot more videos, and this is my plan, and this is my year that I want to do it. So you're going to see a lot of vlogs. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of vlogs that I had before. You're going to see me dropping it. So let me know. Leave a comment below. It's your boy IC3 Tech. I know I haven't been on a while, but there's going to be a lot of things I'll be telling. That's the reason why I wanted to get this camera, so I could speak to you guys while I'm driving and tell you more about my life and everything what's going on. And there's a big one I'm going to be dropping on pretty soon that I may need you guys' help on, but I actually am a little bit afraid to express it, but I want to express it because it's the moment now. It's time. It's the moment to go out there and express it now. But like I said, you guys, this is boy IC3 Tech. A lot of you guys are new. Thank you for watching. And a lot of people is older in my channel. Thank you for watching also and staying with me through everything I've been through. And I want to say, don't be afraid to hit that like button and subscribe button right on each one of these, whatever side it's on. And it's free to do it, and it helps support your channel. And I know there's a couple of you guys haven't hit subscribe, but I know we at 1,800. Well, let's keep killing it. Let's keep moving forward. Let's keep doing our thing. But thank you for watching. This is your boy IC3 Tech with the next video. And this is the Insta360 Go Ultra. We're going to do a lot more blessing things than this. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.